Peerberry is a leading European peer-to-peer lending platform. Peerberry was launched in 2017 by Aventus Group, a well-established credit company, and has since become one of the top platforms in Europe. Peer-to-peer lending allows individuals to lend money directly to other individuals or businesses through an online platform, providing an alternative to traditional banks with potentially higher returns for investors. Peerberry acts as an online marketplace, connecting individual investors with lending companies that provide loans to borrowers. Investors earn interest based on the capital they invest, while borrowing companies lend these funds to individuals or businesses, who then repay the loans with interest. The platform boasts impressive numbers, including over 86,000 investors and more than €2 billion invested, with an average annual return of 11%. I now have invested step by step €6,210, earning a profit of €890 in 2 years. Peerberry has attractive interest rates, ranging from 8% to 10% annually, and the platform has strong security features, particularly its 100% buyback guarantee. This guarantee ensures that if a loan defaults, Peerberry will cover the repayment and the interest, which the author found reliable during the Russia-Ukraine war, when 2 of his loans were blocked but eventually reimbursed with interest. Peerberry's strengths include geographic diversification, offering loans in various countries, primarily in Eastern Europe and Asia, and a variety of loan types, from short-term loans to long-term loans and real estate loans. I invest on the platform through the Auto Invest feature, which allows users to set up an automatic investment strategy based on their preferences, such as interest rate, loan duration, and diversification across different lending companies and countries. Loans are generally less than 10%, but there are still some short-term loans at 10% or more that go very quickly. The Auto Invest function allows me to obtain these generous rates. Peerberry is a solid platform. It's important to consider the risks involved in peer-to-peer lending, such as loan defaults or potential platform failures. To mitigate these risks, I diversify investments across multiple platforms. Peerberry is a good starting point for those interested in peer-to-peer lending, especially since the minimum investment is only €50.